Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but you still need to do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir had a great day today, so we are back on our feet. We are up $1.34. That's 4.89%. We closed at 28.77. Post-market, we seem to be up by 3 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We are back close to $29. So we have the resistance at $29. We broke out of that resistance a little bit during the day, but then came back and closed below. So we have a nice green candle. I like to see that the bottom of the candle is almost perfectly sitting on this channel resistance, which is now becoming a channel support. And wow, and the body of the candle is almost perfectly aligned with the high of the candle on September 16th. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to see what happened. So it was a strong day. Green candle first hour, green second, green third, and look at this. You cannot make this up. You cannot make this up. The third candle stopped right on 29. Why 29? Why not 29.10 or 28.90? No, because 29 is a psychological number that some people act on. I'm going to sell when the stock is at 29. I'm going to stop buying when the stock is at 29. So you have people saying these things in their heads, and this is what is happening here. And the fourth hour is just crazy. So the fourth hour opened at 29.04 and closed at 29.05. The stock did not know what to do. So it was like, should I go up? Should I go down? I'm going to stay there. This is crazy. The fifth hour, the fifth candle started right on 29, but then was pushed down. And the last candle is green, but the stock has some selling pressure because we have a wick during the last hour. So during the last hour, the stock tried to go up, but was pushed down when it closed. The fact that we looked at the open and the close, this is to give us an indication of where is the trend going. If the stock price opens at this price and closes at this price, then we can say, okay, it's green. The price of the stock is going up during the day. This is why we are looking at the open and the close to have an idea of, is it trending up during the day? Is it trending down during the day? This is what this green body or red body is expressing. The red body is expressing that we opened at this price and we closed at this price. So the stock went lower. We identified that as a red candle. And when it's the opposite, when we opened at this price and closed at this price, we put it in green so that we show that, yeah, green is great and we like when the stock price goes up, so we put it green. And then everything that's outside of the open and the close, or the open and the close, then it's the wicks. We can have a wick at the top, we can have a wick at the bottom. This is basically where the price went during the day, up to what point it went, and then, but we still show the open and the close with the red or green color. Okay, this was for the new people that are viewing this channel. Okay, nothing else special to mention on the indicators on the 1 hour chart. Let's go see the indicators on the daily chart. Stochastic is back at 90. RSI, so we have a little bit of a divergence in RSI because this candle here corresponds to a strength of 66 on the RSI. And this candle here, which is higher than this one in terms of price, is lower in terms of strength. So this is a little bit of a divergence. We just need to keep that in mind. It does not mean that it's going to go down, but it could mean that it's going to go down. And in terms of MACD changed back to two green thumbs up there. And DMI improved also a lot. the green line of DMI, which expresses the intensity of the bullishness in the stock, went up, and the bearishness in the stock expressed by the red candle went down. So pretty strong day for Palantir. So it looks like we are still on our way to our beloved $31. Huh? This is what we have been waiting for some time. We had this little pullback at the beginning of the week, but we caught up pretty fast here. So let's see what is happening. 29 is a very important number. We had a resistance at 29 around November of last year. We had a hard time breaking over 29. It took us from November 24th to January 22nd to finally break out of it, bounced on it, and then we could not stay up and we came below that. So 29 is a big number, and we never came back over 29 ever since. So this is going to be very interesting to see. We could have a ascending triangle here. So this channel resistance is becoming a support, and we have this resistance right here. So the stock could be going between these two and accumulating a little bit, because the stock went pretty fast up towards this 29. It went super fast starting from September 13. In 5 days we were from 25 to 29, and that was a little bit fast, and the stock pulled back a little bit to catch its breath. Now it's trying again. This is a little bit less fast, but it's still extended. So a stock rarely goes like this for a long time. It goes like this for a while, then it consolidates, and if it needs to go again, it can continue, but it likes to take some breath. So it's not impossible that the stock could be taking some breather here. I don't know. That's the big question, and we just need to stay tuned. Watching the stock market is like watching a soap opera. You never know what is going to happen, but you might have some indication, and when you see a repeating pattern, then you try to take advantage of it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of this channel. We have a TradingView affiliate link also. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.